So here's how to create e-commerce sales page with Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products and services online without having to hire or rely on a tech team. And if you want to start using Clickfunnels, click on my link down in the description. And as you can see, we're now in the official Clickfunnels website. From here, if you scroll down, you will get to see a lot of information on the website. And here, you can see some world-class entrepreneurs who use Clickfunnels. And we have Damon John, Ty Lopez, and Eileen Wilder. And if you scroll down further, you will get to see why you should be using Clickfunnels. Here, you can see what you will get with and without a funnel. And you can see using a funnel is far more advantageous. Now, if you scroll down even further, you will see how Clickfunnels funnels customers to you. Now, if you move on, you can see that Clickfunnels will get you your website. Clickfunnels is your online store, your membership site, your CRM, your email marketing, and your analytics. And down here, you can see all the services and tools you will be getting just from using Clickfunnels. And as you can see, they have tons of uses. So scrolling down even further, you will get to see some testimonials from successful entrepreneurs using Clickfunnels. So now that you know about all the advantages of using Clickfunnels, let's scroll up to the top. From here, go ahead and click on Pricing from the top bar. And once you're on the pricing page, you will get to see two options that you can choose from. First one is Startup, and then we have Pro. Here, you can compare the two packages based on your required brand workspaces and team members, and all of the features for both the plans are the same. Now, if you click on the monthly plans, you will get to see the different monthly pricings for each package. So from here, just select the package that you want and click on Start Free Trial to get started with Clickfunnels. So once you get your Clickfunnels membership, click on Login on the top and select Clickfunnels 2.0. And once you log into your Clickfunnels account, you will be taken to your Clickfunnels dashboard right here. So now that you're in the Clickfunnels dashboard, go over to the left side and click on Site right below Apps. After that, click on Site Pages. So now you are in the Site Pages section. From here, click on New Site Page on the top right corner. After that, you will get to see a lot of templates that you can choose from, and also you will have a lot of categories on the left side. From here, you can select whichever category and then you will get templates according to that category. So now, just scroll through the templates and select the one that you like. Once you find the one you like, click on it. And as you can see, we now have the template ready. Now, you need to change the name for your site page. And after you change the name, go over to the page URL section. Here, you can customize the URL of your page. Then, right below it, you have Style. Here, you can select your preferred style. After you're done setting it up, click on Create Page. And you need to wait for a while for it to get loaded up. And sometimes the loading may take a while, so just wait for it. After that, you'll be redirected to your newly created page. And as you can see, the template looks really good. So here, you can select whichever aspect of the template that you want to edit or change. You can also delete a specific part. You have this option to add element. If you click on it, you will get to see all the elements that you can add on the right side. So, go through them and select whichever one that you prefer. Here, you can see a lot of options to choose from. So scroll through and check them out. You will get to see sections like product categories, product, and all kinds of different stuff. Now, let's scroll up to the top and click on 3-col, which is for 3 columns. And as you can see, the 3 columns has been added right away. Now, click on the plus icon on the column to add new element. And as an example, I will click the image icon. This way, you can select each column and add individual images to each of them. And as you can see, we now have multiple images on this part. You can also delete some of them if you want. So now, I will click on Add New Element again and select Image. After that, you can click on Add Row and add new columns from right here. So I will click on 6 columns. Then for this section, we will drag the video option and drop it over here. This way, just go ahead and do the same for all the columns. You can also add a variety of elements if you prefer. So once you're done with customizing the previous part, you can click on Add Element and then select the link option. And as you can see, it has been added on the template. So here, you will get to see more options if you hover over the link area. If you go over to the previous section, you can also select Add Element and add a link here as well. So once you're done making all the customizations for that section, you can go over to the text. Here, you can select the entire text and write your customized text instead. So, as an example, I will type in product sale offer. You can write anything that aligns with your page. Now, let's select the text again. After that, you can use the options on the top to customize it further. Here, you can put in your customized link that will make this text clickable. You can also go through the other options and customize it further. Now, let's select the headline part and open the options on the right panel. Here, you will get to see additional options for customization, such as the padding options for top, bottom, and then you have left and right. Then, you can select the style for the typography, which is the size of it. Then, go ahead and click on Edit Style. Here, you have some more options. Then, if you scroll down further, you can set the color of your text. Here, you can move it around to select your preferred color. Then, we have bold and link. After that, there is text casing. Here, you can select the different casings for the text according to your preference. Now, go over to decoration and select whichever one that you like. You can also skip this part if you like. And after that, you can set the opacity of the text. Now, if you scroll down further, you will have the option to enable background. And once you do that, a background will be added to your text. So, after checking it out, let's click on the headline option again. And from the right panel, let's move around the top and bottom padding of the text. And once you're satisfied with all the customizations and the elements of your page, just go ahead and click on Save on the top right corner. After that, it will take a few moments for it to get saved. So once it gets saved, you will get this notification that updates will appear live at this time. And now that our new page is saved, let's go ahead and click on the back icon on the top left corner. And this will take us to our workspace. From here, click on Site Pages from the left, and then you will get to see your newly created page right here. And if you still want to make further customizations, just click on the pen icon and you'll be able to do so. And all other site pages that you create will be visible on this section. And that is exactly how to create e-commerce sales page with Clickfunnels.